Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
I hope you well, everybody. This is a Hajj Bros channel. If you want to just get invited, you can invite by yourself by just subscribing for us, and don't forget to open the bell notification so you won't miss me. All right, imagine here, being a student, it is so much fun, huh? What about being a giant student? It is so much fun. That's what we're trying to do today. It's what we're trying just to make a little bit of explanation for that. Before we further say, let's jump to the point. The 4 centuries. The 4 centuries, it is the most unit of each ECCD center classes. Maybe you're thinking that, what does ECCD class center mean? Don't worry, I'm here to help you. ECCD center class mean early child care development. That's the abbreviation of ECCD center mean. These 4 centuries, each one of them, it has its own job. Let's see it. So, we have 4 centuries, as I told you before. These 4 centuries are, the building center, the mathematical center, the reading center, and the research center. We will visit each one of them. So, let's jump. What do we have here? All right, here it's mathematical. Right? Yeah, it's mathematical. So this is the mathematical class. Let us jump to the reading class. This is a reading class. It is a writing and a reading class. And we say that it's ABCD, something like that. Here it's an ABCD. Or no, it's a Batacha. It's a Somali alphabet. And this is an English alphabet. So it's what they are trying to write. What is this? A, B, C, D. What is this? Ba, ta, cha, ha. So this is a reading class and a reading center. Let's jump to the research center. This is a research center. This is a research center. There is a box in here. This box, it has something that they hide it in. We want to feel each one of what is in here. So let me feel what is in here. I'm feeling a stone. I have one stone, I think so. Yeah, it's a stone. What else? And I'm feeling a leaf. Yeah, it's a leaf. Yeah, I have a leaf. This is a leaf, I think. Yeah, it's a leaf. All right. What else? What else in here? What else in here? What is that? Is it a stick or another leaf? I don't know. What is that? Yeah, it's a stick. It's a little stick. So this is a research center also. It's a feeling center to feel what is inside, hiding. Finally, we are a building center. This is a building center. This is what they're trying to build, right? This is a little bridges. You see? It's a toy little bridges. They will try to build with this, like this, or like, is it like this? Yeah, something like that. And they will try to build each one of it in here, because every student likes his own dream, right? Maybe some of them will build a house, some of them will build a car, some of them maybe will build a big pool with a water body, with a big water body. So build something. Let us build something, all right? Let us build something like this, and something like this. Yeah. I'm not good at building, but I'm trying, all right? This is exactly what I try, but I don't think this one will work. Anyway, this is a building center. And the most important thing, everyone will have his own dream in their future. So the future starts from here. Starts from here in this class. All right, I have here another thing. This is another alphabet thing. This is another alphabet thing. They use it to tell and to learn students with alphabets, like what can I say? It's a musical thing. It uses a battery in here, but there's no battery. It's something new. They are not using right now. So it's a kind of learning something tools that they can teach the students with alphabets. English alphabet or Somali alphabet things. Anyway, this is the most important thing. It's the time to go their homes. It is the time to go home. So we need to just distribute a biscuit with them so they can go home and maybe turn back tomorrow. Let's go to and give a biscuit with